For the 12th year in a row, measles vaccine rates in Georgia kindergartners did not reach levels needed for herd immunity. That's according to new information from the CDC. Andy Parati with our sister station Atlanta News First uncovers the growing trend of parents opting out of vaccines.
Give me a hug. You haven't seen me in days.
Hi.
This place had the most delicious cookies. Oh, y'all need to try the peach. Y'all need to do the peach. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
The smell of new cookies fills the air in the Slaughter family kitchen.
How many have you had? No, you can't have 5.
A treat for Mariana's 3 children who are used to eating organic.
Our candy has to be natural. They're all natural herbal supplements. No pharmaceuticals here.
Mariana says her children have never taken medication, not even over the counter, and none of them are vaccinated.
It was a hard decision. It was a decision that I struggled with, but at the end of the day, I did the research. I weighed the benefits and the risk for our life. It just was not something that we were willing to take the risk for.
Her decision based on her Christian faith and her belief vaccines impact immune systems.
And I don't hide my children in a hole. So if we're out at a playground or at a grocery store or in a restaurant, they're exposed to life. I don't protect my children. I want them to be strong, both in their social skills, in their intelligence, and in their immune system.
Mariana represents a growing number of families in Georgia and across the country not vaccinating their children for measles and other preventable diseases. According to a Johns Hopkins University 2025 study, vaccination rates for measles, mumps, and rubella, or MMR, have dropped nationwide since 2019. 78% of counties reporting declining immunizations.
Another case of measles has now been confirmed here in Georgia. We're told this patient is
And public health officials say the declining vaccinations contributed to the worst measles outbreak in the U.S. in 3 decades. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly 1,300 people contracted the disease in 34 states by summer 2025. 2 children died, 1 adult, none of them vaccinated. Most of the cases in the South.
We now know a second child has died from measles in Texas. The
Jody Guest is Senior Vice Chair of Emory University's Department of Epidemiology.
It is incredibly sad, particularly when we've seen kids die of measles. This is a preventable illness and one we should not be seeing kids die from.
The new study released this week finds the U.S. could face millions of measles cases in the next 25 years if routine vaccine rates continue to go down.
Only 11 states last year achieved the 95% vaccine rate in kindergartners needed to achieve herd immunity. Georgia is not one of them.
Now, the decline in measles vaccinations is attributed in part to widespread misinformation, often fueled online. A recent study by KFF Health News shows the misinformation can skew with party lines, with Democratic-leaning families more aware of upticks in measles cases.